In a recent video I made, this one showing up here, I talked about how you can go live on YouTube with 0 subscribers. I'm very certain you did not know about this. But yes, you can go live on YouTube with 0 subscribers. I mean 0 subscribers. You can have 22, 23, 1, 2, 4, and still go live. There's a way around it, and that is the reason why I am making this video. Now, when I made that video, I had some of my subscribers, ask me how this can be done and how they can achieve it on their own channel. And that is the reason why I'm making this video today. So I will be showing you a screen record with my phone where I give a comprehensive explanation on how to achieve this. Yes, and trust me, you can achieve it with your phone. Just be patient with me and let's get to do this together. Okay, so I'm going to begin the process of going live using your desktop browser with 0 subscribers. This for this particular one, you'll be using your phone. When you're using your laptop, you're using your phone. Now let's go to our Chrome browser. Alright, so I'm going to go to Chrome browser and we'll type in YouTube Studio desktop site. You click on that, and I will always say you click on that on the three dots showing up here, and ensure that it's on desktop site mode. If it's not, go ahead and turn it on like this. Now when that is done, we are going to click on log in. It's going to first take you to your app if you already have the app installed on your phone, and then redirect you back to the desktop site, right? So we're going to be doing this particular process using a fresh new account. I just created this account and have not used it, right? Let me change it from this one to the one I want to use. In this video showing up here, I mentioned how you can actually open the YouTube channel if you don't have one. Now I have this one. I'm going to be using Life of Virtue. Let me use this one for this particular tutorial. Life of Virtue. All right, so I've clicked on the one I want and I would like to open up. As you can see, it's a fresh YouTube account. I have not done anything on this channel. I have not posted, have not done a single thing. I've not even set up my all the things that I usually always set up for every account I open. This is just new and plain. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using this to show you how you can go live with 0 subscribers using your phone. As you can see, I'm on my phone, but I'm using the desktop site mode. Now you're going to go down here. You're going to go down here where you have the setting icon. You can see grow your team. Click on next, and then you're going to allow it to open up. Now when this is done, I'll go ahead and click on channel. I'll click on channel, right? um you are supposed to do all of these settings first. So if you want to know what settings you need to turn on, what you're supposed to put in place before you begin to use the channel, this video I made up here can also help. You can click on it to watch, but like I said, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be going straight and direct to what I want us to achieve. Now I'm going to click on future eligibility, and as you can see here, the very first one is already turned on. Intermediate features need also to be turned on first before I can have access to custom thumbnails, live streaming, videos longer than 15 minutes. All right, so the first one is already ticked off. The first requirement is already ticked off, which is the number one of future eligibility. Now the next thing I need to do is to verify my phone number. Okay, so there's a phone number. My main phone number, I've already used it to register two accounts, which is grow with this channel and then my visa free channel. I've already used it to register my two accounts. I can't use it again. Now this is what I mean. When you come down here, let me use call mute and automated voice message. If you come down here and input my number, that's my main number. This is what they are going to tell us. I'm going to input my country code, which happens to be 234. I'll leave a space and I'm going to enter 70366722102. Now I'll click on next. Let's see what they're going to tell me. See what they said here. This number is associated with too many accounts. Only 2 accounts can be verified per phone number per year. Please enter a different phone number. Now I have used this number before to verify my account. So I only have access to it on 2 different accounts, which I've already done. So I will need a different phone number to open and verify a second one. So I'll be using my other phone number. So I'll be using my second phone number, which is this. And I'm going to go ahead and still input my country code just to be sure that I'm using the correct one. Input my country code and then I'm click on next. Alright, let's wait for them to send me a message. Okay, so they're saying that they sent me a code to that phone number. I'm going to wait to receive the code, which I've received on my other phone. So I'm going to enter it here. 321374, and then I'll submit this. Okay, so my phone number has now been verified. Phone number verified. Say close the browser, right? I will just go back to Chrome. Okay, this is it. It has been verified. As you can see, it has now been ticked off. Like, it's now showing that I've been verified. This means I can actually live stream now. Live stream feature is in this intermediate feature, so now I can now go live. Now let's try it. Now in my like I said, you don't already have you don't have any posts here, you don't have anything showing up here. This is what you're going to do next. You're going to click on create. You will see create. I'm going to click on create, upload videos, go live, create posts, new playlist, new podcast. What I want to do is to go live, so I'll click on go live. I'll click on go live and allow it to open. Says um it says request for you're requesting streaming access on these dates at this time. Once it's available on your channel, you can schedule streams or go live instantly. So I need it to I need this to count down for 24 hours, then I will be able to now go live. So I'm just going to pause this video here and then we'll continue when the countdown is off. We'll continue and then we'll properly practice how to now go live when this countdown is done. You click on that go live icon and then direct you to um, it's going to direct you to this particular part. It says welcome to the new YouTube live control room. When do you want to go live? Right now or on a later date? I'm going to say start. I'm going to say start like right now. Now it's asking me if I want to use built-in web, right, or streaming software. I want to use the built-in web. I'm not using the streaming software. Streaming software is more like Restream and all of those um, Restream platform or StreamYard or other platforms that you can use to stream your pre-recorded videos. I want to actually go live now, so I'm going to click on built-in web and click on go. Now it's going to give me some more information to see, like the title of the video, the description of the video, how I want to go live, how my category, my thumbnail if I have, my playlist if I have. I'm going to go ahead and input all of that if I already have it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I don't intend to go live, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just get it done. So for my title, I'll say how I got my 1,000 1,000 subscribers. And for the description, I'll say, let's discuss what we can do to get subscribers. Now, I can go ahead and say it with more details if I want to, but I'll just leave it at that. And then I'm going to click on the thumbnail if I already have one. I'll click on my thumbnail to put up a thumbnail. If I don't, I'm just going to leave it like that for now, but I'm very certain that you know how to create a thumbnail already. If you don't, you can click on this particular link showing up here to learn how to use Canva to create a thumbnail for yourself. Now, when that is also done, you're going to click on select for the playlist and choose a playlist. I have just one playlist on my own. I don't want to include this one there. I'm not even going live. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the one I want, and then I'll click on next. The next part is going to give me my customization. Live chat. Do I want live chat? Do I want live chat replay? Do I want live chat summary? Do I want my participants who can send me messages? My participants, my subscribers. You can just go in and just set all of this on. When you're done with that, you also click on next. It's going to take me down to visibility, right? Do I want this to be public or private? Or do I want to schedule? Like I said, I don't want to go live. I do not want to go live, but we're having a tutorial here, so I'll just go ahead and click on next, right? I'll click on done. Alright, so if you see here, you see where you click on go live. Once you click on go live, this takes you live. But I'm not going to click on that because I do not want to go live. Like I said, I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial. You click on go live and that is it. Now you can also do this on your laptop, right? This tutorial is just in case you don't have a laptop and you intend to use your phone. You can go live using your YouTube app, or you need to have 50 subscribers. Now, if you don't have up to 50 subscribers, you can also go live using your desktop browser, right? I did a video, and like I already mentioned before, you can watch that video to know how to go live with 0 subscribers, 10 subscribers, 40 subscribers, and all of that. So if you have a system and you want to still go live, despite the number of followers you have or subscribers you have, you can use this method. Just use the desktop site method and you want to go live. When I click on go live now, I'll be live, but I don't want to do that because I'm not ready to go live at the moment.
So I'm really hoping that you got value from this video. If you did, please kindly leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to grow together. I will love to see you in my next video. When I mean see you, I mean come watch my video again. I see you in my next video, and bye for now.